Well, this is a bike beforehand. On the list, we've got plastics, all white plastics down here. A new wrap. We got a new rear tire, heavy duty tube, hour meter, bulletproof designs, rad guards, a Tusk rear disc guard, and a new seat. All right, so we got all the plastics off of it. I think we're about ready to start putting new plastics on, unless we decide to go a different route. But yeah, there's all the old, all the new, and then we've got the wrap over here in the corner. All right, so latest update, we've got the bulletproof rad guards on. Those look pretty stout. We also got the second hour meter on here. It comes with one factory up here, but better safe than sorry. And then we ran that right around through over the top. Got it cinched down there real nice. Brad's currently working on getting the rear brake rotor guard on, getting his butt whooped properly, but I can't talk too much smack. I had 30 minutes to try to figure out how to get these radiator guards on. He also got the new IRC, what is it, the M5B Evo mounted up. That thing looks gnarly. Got the fresh plastics on. Things looking sharp. I'm excited to get those handguards on there. I don't know if I should have went with white instead of the black, but I'm hoping the wrap will have enough black on it. But yeah, for today, all we got to do is put the wrap on it, put the seat cover on, and that'll be a wrap for today. All right, we got her done. That looks good.
Get out of the shot. I'm just staring.
That's all right. Got the gut seat on there, and the schlarf. Yeah.